Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I've got a fantastic quick bread recipe to share with y'all. We're going to make strawberry cream cheese bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with fresh strawberry goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is the perfect bread for summertime. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more quick bread recipes, check out my playlist and my previous video, Fresh Cherry Pie. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your loaf pan, your cream cheese, and get your strawberries chopping sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry cream cheese bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our strawberries. On my cutting board, I have a pound of fresh strawberries. We are going to remove the tops and dice them up. And I washed them. Alright, my friends, I am through dicing up my strawberries. Now we're going to set them aside. We are ready to make the bread. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, so we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up like so. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off. And voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into my medium bowl and sifter. Now we need 1 more cup. Just repeat the process. Another perfect cup. So that's our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda and table salt. And that's why it's called a quick bread, because we use baking powder and baking soda. There's no yeast. Going to sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. And even though I sifted, I'm going to whisk it one more time to make sure everything is well incorporated. We don't want pockets of baking powder and baking soda. Alrighty, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we work on our wet ingredients. I have my large bowl with an electric hand mixer. We're going to add in 4 ounces, which is half of an 8-ounce block of full-fat cream cheese, and 1/4 cup, which is a 1/2 stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature, so it's nice and soft. Into our cream cheese and butter, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, our extracts, 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla, and pure strawberry. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. That's half of a large lemon. Going to mix these together on medium speed until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in our flour mixture alternately with a 1/2 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. Going to begin and end with the flour. Alright, last of the buttermilk. And last of the flour, and mix. Be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, this is what the batter looks like, nice and whipped. See? That looks great. So now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. Our freshly diced strawberries. And fold them in. I can smell the strawberry extract and the vanilla extract. And I just love and adore the smell of fresh strawberries. Oh, I can smell that cinnamon too. This quick bread is going to be amazing. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my strawberries, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my strawberries. We are ready to pour the batter into our pan. We are going to pour it in the 8 by 4 by 2 inch loaf pan. But before we do, I'm going to spray it generously with baking spray so that way our bread won't stick. Okie dokie, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to release the air bubbles. Now I'm going to cover it loosely with aluminum foil and it is ready to go into the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for 30 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 30 minutes. So now we're going to remove the aluminum foil and return it back into the oven and let it continue to bake for another 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, look at this beautiful bread. It's nice and golden brown. I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let it cool completely. And then after it cools, I'll place it onto my cake stand. Alright my friends, I got my bread right here and it's nice and cooled. And I want to show y'all how moist it is. So I'm going to cut it into slices. Keep your fingers out the way. Look at this texture. Oh yes, fantastic. So now I'm going to garnish it with some fresh strawberries. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Strawberry cream cheese bread. Don't that look good? And we made it completely from scratch. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. Alright my friends, I got my plate right here and I garnish it with some fresh whipped cream and the strawberry. Oh, and look at the strawberries inside. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Oh, it just melts in your mouth. Soft, tender. Oh, I'm in strawberry heaven. This reminds me of a strawberry cheesecake. This strawberry cream cheese bread is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm going to grab me some whipped cream. Yum-o. Strawberry cream cheese bread, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.